There is a common belief in the produce sector that if you grow a clean product and your warehouse is tidy, you will be fine in a CFIA inspection. I understand where that belief comes from. But it does not reflect what CFIA compliance verification activities actually evaluate, and I want to correct that before it costs your operation a serious finding. I'm Felicia Loo. I'm a food safety consultant specializing in Canadian regulatory compliance, and I work with produce operations with storage and distribution functions across Canada. Today, I want to give you a clear picture of what CFIA inspectors are specifically trained to look for in your sector. The Safe Food for Canadians regulations require produce operations with licensed activities to maintain a preventive control plan. Your PCP is not a certificate on the wall. It is a living document that describes your hazards, your preventive controls, and your monitoring system. And it has to match what you actually do. CFIA inspectors in produce storage and distribution focus on 4 main areas. First, temperature control and cold chain integrity. They will want to see your monitoring logs, your equipment calibration records, and your procedures for what happens when a temperature deviation occurs. Second, sanitation and water. Especially for fresh produce, the quality and safety of your wash water and your sanitation program are high priority review areas. Third, traceability. Can you trace a product through your operation within a defined timeframe? Your lot coding, your intake records, and your outbound distribution records all need to support that capability. Fourth, your preventive control plan itself. Is it complete? Is it specific to your operation? Are your staff following it, and can you prove it? Here are 2 things you can do this week. Review your last 30 days of temperature logs and identify any entries that are missing, inconsistent, or outside your acceptable range without a documented corrective action. Then conduct a traceability exercise with a recent lot and time yourself. Both of those activities will give you a clear signal of where your system stands. If what you find concerns you, the time to act is before the inspection, not during it. The link to book a strategy call is in the video description. Subscribe for more produce food safety content from SFPM Consulting.